Are you ready to revolutionize your life with some mind-blowing hacks? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we're going to unveil 8 extraordinary life hacks that will completely transform the way you navigate through daily challenges. From increasing productivity to expanding your knowledge and simplifying everyday tasks, these Chat GPT life hacks are about to take your life to a whole new level. So grab your notepads and get ready to uncover the secrets that Chat GPT has in store for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to join our community of life hackers. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey of discovery and transformation. Let's dive in. Improve productivity with task management. In our fast-paced world, staying organized and managing tasks efficiently is essential. ChatGPT has some incredible features to help you boost productivity. One life hack is to create a to-do list. Simply type "create a to-do list" and ChatGPT will generate a comprehensive list for you. It can even prioritize tasks based on urgency or importance, ensuring you stay focused on what matters most. Another powerful feature is setting reminders. By typing "set a reminder for" time, task, ChatGPT will help you stay on top of your commitments. Whether it's a meeting, a deadline, or even a personal event, ChatGPT will make sure you never miss a beat. With these task management hacks, you'll have a clear overview of your responsibilities and be able to tackle them with ease. Say goodbye to scattered thoughts and hello to enhanced productivity. Enhance your writing skills. Good writing skills are invaluable in both personal and professional settings. ChatGPT can be your virtual writing assistant, providing valuable feedback and suggestions to help you improve. One useful hack is using ChatGPT to proofread your work. Simply type "proofread" text and let ChatGPT analyze your writing for grammar mistakes, awkward phrasing, or style improvements. It's like having an editor by your side. Additionally, if you're facing writer's block, ChatGPT can generate writing prompts to ignite your creativity. Just type "generate writing prompts" and let ChatGPT inspire you with unique ideas and story starters. These writing hacks will help you refine your writing skills and produce polished content in no time. Plan and organize your schedule. Keeping track of your schedule and appointments is crucial for a well-organized life. ChatGPT can assist you in planning and organizing your schedule effectively. By typing "schedule an appointment" and providing the necessary details, ChatGPT will generate a structured schedule for you, ensuring you make the most of your time. Another time-saving hack is checking the weather forecast. By typing "weather forecast for" location, ChatGPT will provide you with up-to-date weather information, allowing you to plan your day accordingly. Whether it's deciding what to wear or preparing for outdoor activities, ChatGPT has you covered. With these scheduling and weather hacks, you'll have a clear overview of your commitments and be prepared for any weather conditions that come your way. Get personalized book recommendations. Are you tired of aimlessly searching for your next great read? ChatGPT can be your personalized book recommender. Simply type "recommend a book" in genre and let ChatGPT curate a list of books tailored to your preferences. Whether you're into fantasy, romance, or nonfiction, ChatGPT will provide you with a selection of books that align with your interests. This life hack saves you time and introduces you to new literary treasures you might have missed otherwise. So say goodbye to endless browsing and let ChatGPT guide you to your next captivating read. Master foreign languages. Learning a new language opens doors to incredible opportunities and cultural understanding. ChatGPT can assist you in becoming a polyglot with its language learning capabilities. Simply type "translate" phrase or word to "language" and ChatGPT will provide you with instant translations, helping you expand your vocabulary. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT can also help you practice conversational skills in the language you're learning. Engage in a dialogue by typing in your target language and ChatGPT will respond accordingly. This immersive language learning experience allows you to sharpen your skills and gain confidence in communicating. With these language learning hacks, you'll be well on your way to mastering new languages and connecting with people from different cultures. Explore the world of recipes. If you enjoy cooking or want to expand your culinary repertoire, ChatGPT has got you covered. Say goodbye to repetitive meals and uninspired dishes. Simply find a recipe for, dish or cuisine, and Chat GPT will provide you with a wide range of delicious recipes to choose from. But it doesn't stop there. Chat GPT also caters to dietary restrictions and preferences. Whether you're looking for vegan, gluten-free, or low-carb options, simply specify your requirements and let Chat GPT tailor the results accordingly. With these cooking hacks, you'll never run out of ideas for delightful meals. Impress your friends and family with mouth-watering dishes that will leave them asking for your secret recipe. Stay updated with news and current events. In the age of information, staying updated with the latest news is crucial. Chat GPT can help you stay informed effortlessly. By typing news headlines, Chat GPT will provide you with a curated list of news articles covering a wide range of topics. But that's not all. If you want to dive deeper into a specific news piece but don't have the time, Chat GPT can summarize articles for you. Just ask Chat GPT to summarize the news and it will provide you with a concise overview, ensuring you're well informed without spending hours reading. With these news-related hacks, you'll stay up to date on current events and be able to engage in informed discussions with others. Discover fun facts and trivia. Who doesn't love a good trivia night? Chat GPT can be your secret weapon for impressing your friends with fascinating facts and trivia. Simply type "tell me a fun fact" or "give me a trivia question" and Chat GPT will keep you entertained with a wide range of interesting information. With Chat GPT as your trivia companion, you'll always have a stash of captivating facts at your fingertips. Whether it's for game nights or casual conversations, these trivia hacks will make you the life of the party. And there you have it, 8 incredible Chat GPT life hacks that are guaranteed to change your life. From boosting productivity to enhancing your writing skills, mastering foreign languages, and exploring new culinary delights, Chat GPT is your go-to virtual assistant for a more efficient and enjoyable life. If you found these life hacks helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.